in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select notifications. And there should be an item that says Do Not Disturb. Notifications will be sent directly to the notification center. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on your HP device. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.